A very warm welcome and greetings to my dear friends and respected teachers. Today we are going to see about the interfaces in Java. Before going into the topic, myself Priyavashni from first MCA T section. Let us know what is an interface in Java. Interfaces are pure abstract classes in Java. Abstract classes are that contain only the abstract methods. Even the abstract classes can have some normal methods, but interfaces do not have any normal methods. Why? Because interfaces are pure abstract classes. Abstract methods are those that are declared but not defined in the class. They will be defined in some other class. No objects are created for the abstract class and hence no objects for the interfaces. Interfaces are used purposely when a method must be used in many classes. So let us know the syntax of the interface. The keyword to declare an interface is interface and the name of the interface, abstract method declaration, and next is the class name which implements the interface. So the syntax is keyword class name, implements. The important keyword is implements for the class and the interface name that is going to be implemented here. Then we are going to give the definition of the abstract method. So how to implement an interface in a class? The important keyword is implement. Interfaces are always implemented in the classes and not extended. The methods in the interface must be declared publicly in the interface and must be publicly defined in the immediate class that implements that interface. The methods must always be abstract and public. Interfaces can be extended between two interfaces. That is, an interface can inherit or extend an interface, but classes can only implement the interface, and this must be clearly noted. So the prototype of the method must be strictly followed. How the method is declared in the interface and in the same way it must be implemented in the class. There must be no change in the prototype. So this is an example of the interface. Interface shapes and the method here is the abstract method area. We have given here abstract method declaration. Next, the square class implements shapes. So we are now going to define the area method here. So given the side as 4 and we are going to print the area as area of the square is equal to a star a. So we have now implemented the method here. Next one is class circle implement shapes. So now here also we have defined the method void area. So now we have created the main class for this and we have named it as main shapes. In the main function we have created methods for the class that have implemented the interface, and now we are accessing the method of the interface by using the objects of the class. So the output will be area of the square and area of the circle. So interfaces cannot be invoked by objects because interfaces do not have their own objects. Interfaces are implemented in the classes, objects are created for them, and methods are invoked using those objects. And this we have seen in the previous example. So we have also seen that an interface when it must be implemented in or when it must be defined in two or more classes, interfaces are used. So multiple inheritance is achieved in Java only through the interfaces because a class can implement one or more interfaces. Also, an interface can extend another interface. By implementing a extended interface also serves the same purpose. So an example for this, here interface A is given and interface B is given. The class C is implementing both A and B. This is an example of a multiple inheritance. Also in the same way, when we change the code as interface B extends interface A, a different code is given. Class C implements only B because B has the qualities of A. And then we are creating the main method for only the class C, and now we can implement the methods of both class A and class B, and we can access both the methods add and sub by the object of the class C. So the output will be like this. So that's all about the interfaces in Java. Thank you.